Welcome to Arup Stand at Flood and Coast 2021.
Hi, I'm Will McBain. I lead Arup's work with the Environment Agency on the Collaborative Delivery Framework. I have 26 years experience in flood and coastal erosion risk management, and I'm very passionate about rivers, not least my own beloved River Wharfe, which you see behind me now.
For Arup, sustainable development is everything. We aim to be a humane organisation, we nurture incredible creativity, and we're naturally collaborative in nature. The Arup strategy is to find a better way, to make the right choices, and to make it happen together. Arup is a UK-based trust-owned firm. We have no external stakeholders, and that means that we're able to be independent in our thinking. The firm remains true to the values of its founder, Sir Arup, and this quotation from his key speech is typical of the working environment we strive to create now within the firm. Ove believed that we should make our work interesting and rewarding, and we should enjoy both our work and our leisure time. So he did not believe in work as a necessary evil, and that makes it a very refreshing place to work. And no one exemplifies that approach more than Mark Fletcher, our global water leader, and Mark is also on the Framework Directors Forum for the NGSA with the Environment Agency. This quote from Mark sums up, I think, the thoughts of a lot of people working in flood and coastal erosion risk management. Designing for resilience and regeneration means a renewed focus on collaborative process, openness, diversity, adaptability, and consideration of place-based insight and lived experience. And now, a few words from a selection of key Arup staff working in FCRM, and they're going to tell us a little bit about why they love their work so much.
Hi, I'm Robin Campbell and I work in Arup's Cardiff office. I take a lead in flood and coastal projects in the west of the UK, and I manage our framework with Natural Resources Wales. I really enjoy working on flood and coast projects such as this Porth Call project, which we've been on for a couple of years now, turning the challenge of flooding into delivering wider benefits to the community and the environment.
Hi, I'm Natasha Connolly. I'm an Associate Director in Sustainability and Climate at Arup here in the beautiful Yorkshire region. I'm really passionate about working where we can influence and achieve broader and improved sustainability benefits, particularly working at a strategic organisation level through to project delivery, really driving down emissions so we can contribute to the net zero carbon target. Thanks.
Hello, I'm Anne. I'm a chartered psychologist in Midlands Operations Consulting, and I work with designers and engineers on environmental assets and infrastructure so that people and organisations can change for a more sustainable future.
Hi, my name's Tom Stars and I'm Arup's Environment Lead for our work with the Environment Agency in the West Midlands. I really enjoy working on flood and coastal projects with Arup because we are not only tackling flood risk, but we are contributing to the net zero carbon agenda, we're creating environmental enhancements, and we are shaping places. And we're doing this bringing all of our collaboration and our ingenuity.
Hi, my name is Millie Hanayaka. I'm a civil engineer working from the Leeds office, and I'm currently seconded to the Environment Agency on the operations side. This is a great opportunity for me to make a difference in communities across Yorkshire. I'm really excited to be working collaboratively with the agency and contractors to create more holistic schemes which are better for communities and the environment, are safer to operate and maintain, and are more sustainable.
Hi, I'm Phil Smith. I'm a civil engineer with Arup, and what excites me about flood and coastal work is the opportunity to work on projects that are going to shape the communities in which we live for decades to come, including right here in Bristol.
Hi, I'm Jodie and I'm a hydrologist in the Arup Leeds office. I'm currently stood by the River Aire right now, just upstream of Leeds. Working at Arup, I get the chance to lead on hydrology studies for the Environment Agency Collaborative Delivery Framework, and I love that I get the chance to work with a diverse mix of people and to support the development of flood schemes, which ultimately protects communities from flooding.
Hi, I'm Dave Scott. I'm a project manager on our flood resilience work with the Environment Agency and some schemes across Southeast Asia and the Middle East. I'm currently pushing digital transformation to unlock data insights and efficiencies that help our teams focus on solving some of the world's biggest challenges.
Hi, I'm Emily Blaney and I'm a scientist with Arup. What excites me about working in FCRM is finding natural ways to protect our communities from flooding.
Hi, I'm James Mallender and I lead Arup's work with the Environment Agency in the Midlands. I've been working with rivers since I came out of university, and I've really enjoyed the challenge associated with working with people, improvements to the environment, but also making a real difference to the way that people live.
Hi, I'm Zach Tudor, a landscape architect based here in Sheffield. I design and create new landscapes that are both beautiful and functional, putting resilience at the heart of the design for both the environment and for people. Working with Arup gives me the opportunity to work with people from many different backgrounds to help get the best outcomes for each of our projects.
Hi, I'm Simon Fleming. I'm an ecologist in Arup's Manchester office, and I work on lots of FCRM projects across the UK, as well as being the ecology lead for our Environment Agency work in Yorkshire and the North East. So what I like about working on FCRM projects is the many opportunities to embed biodiversity enhancements within those projects, as well as working with forward-thinking organisations who genuinely care about the environment. And this means working on projects that include natural flood management, river restoration, reconnecting rivers with the floodplains, and importantly, embedding biodiversity net gain in every one of those projects. And that means creating lots of brilliant new habitat along the way.
Thanks, Simon. Yes, biodiversity net gain is a big deal and can also make a contribution towards wider targets to offset the carbon footprint of the capital programme. 55% of that capital programme in the Environment Agency's English programme will need to be offset through measures like tree planting, peatland restoration, and that needs to be done as part of an integrated sort of landscape-based approach to habitat creation. So it's extremely exciting. Arup is firmly focused on taking a strategic catchment-based approach. We believe that slowing the flow and using techniques within the upper catchment should be a part of every scheme if possible. But we are realistic about the ability of those approaches to make communities fully safe from flooding. And there will always, nearly always, be a need for infrastructure of some kind. But increasingly, we are going to see a shift, an acknowledgement of the limits to which we can contain these ever-increasing flows due to climate change, and we need to shift our thinking towards a resilience-based approach, building the capacity of communities to cope and rapidly recover from floods when they do occur. We're really excited by the programme level approach being adopted on the collaborative delivery framework to sustainability using the SQL framework. And the programme level SQL assessments that we're doing for all our schemes now are actually used to incentivise us under the commercial model. So it's a great marrying of what we want to do and what we want to achieve with the financial rewards that can come from good performance on a framework. And fundamentally, Arup is a design firm, and we will be looking very carefully at all our schemes to make sure that we come up with innovative infrastructure solutions that are the lowest carbon solution to the problem, but which also maximise the wider benefits to communities and places. And we are going to be seeing an increasing number of such schemes coming forward on the framework over the next few years, which is a very exciting prospect. So, thank you very much for listening to this short video. Enjoy the conference.